something that's getting ready to launch in the next few weeks, and that's our law enforcement officer kit, the Leo kits. There's a need out there to respond to this. It's pretty dangerous stuff. Something that's getting ready to launch in the next few weeks, and that's our law enforcement officer kit, the Leo kits. And they're little Pelican type cases, like 2 foot by 1 foot, about 4 inches tall, and they have all the necessary equipment and chemicals that you need to decontaminate small amounts of fentanyl or any unknown illicit drugs. But because of its efficacy, the SoBright product efficacy against fentanyl, we designed this kit around that. So the kit has the PPE, the chemicals, the supplies, the towels, and those types of things that you need to respond if you find something in your squad car after you've arrested a suspect and removed him from the car. The initial launch is going to be in the Chicago market for all the law enforcement agencies there, and we hope to take that nationwide. We're already reaching out to other agencies, and we think that there's going to be a big need for that. Every agency that we talk to kind of has their own standard operating procedure, their SOP on how to deal with it. And that's everything from the officers handling small amounts to not touching anything. If they see a powder, they're calling in their hazmat teams. They're not dealing with it at all. So every jurisdiction, every municipality that we talk to seems to have their own way of dealing with it. And so we're just trying to help these people as much as we can.